In this video, I am going to answer your question, what is Solana Program Library? So that's where we came across when you hear SPL on Solana, and probably you will likely be a Solana developer as a beginner, just getting in, and you'll be hearing this over and over again. What does it mean and how is it being used? I will cover that in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, the first thing we need to understand is what is Solana Program Library. That's short of SPL. So you hear SPL token and things like that. So from their own definition is that SPL, Solana Program Library, SPL is a collection of on-chain program targeting the C-level parallel runtime. So, and when you are talking about a C-level parallel runtime, then you are actually referring to parallel smart contract runtimes on Solana. So that means you are saying a collection of on-chain, they are already on-chain. It can be on DevNet, it can be on testnet, it can be on mainnet, but at least they are not off-chain programs. So all these libraries like an umbrella name for them, and unlike EVMs like Ethereum, where a lot of things you want to build, you have to build the smart contracts yourself and a lot of things like that. You also build smart contracts yourself, call Solana Program or Solana, but there are some slight difference in that some features that Solana believe that people will need, like launching a token, doing or NFT and things like that, they have already deployed some on-chain programs. So there that you just interact with and they handle everything for you. So you can just customize them from your own part, but you don't need to build all the code from the beginning like you will usually do on like EVM, like Ethereum, for example. So that is where this Solana Program Library comes. So it's not like a library that exposes all those on-chain program for you to have access to know how to use them, where to use them, how to reach them, and how to include them in your own program or when you are interacting from a client, just checking some things out and things like that. So all these are what are put together to be called the Solana Program Library. And like I told you, the C-level parallel runtime is like parallel smart contract runtime. So which is the core of Solana. And one of the benefits of Solana that make it super fast is that smart contract, multiple smart contracts, one B, A or B contract, as long as they don't depend on each other, they can run parallel. Parallel means this A can be executing, B can be executing, C executing. So you can imagine you can execute like 10 to 100 of that at a go. Then instead of like EVM that you will need to execute A and B will wait for it to finish before B will execute, Y, C, D, E, F, G, they are all waiting in line. No, as long as they don't like actually build to rely on each other, that okay, finish this and return it, then they can run. That's what the C level is. So this programs are tested against Solana implementation of C-level, Solana runtime, and some are deployed to mainnet beta. As others implement C-level, we will graciously accept patches to ensure the program are portable across all implementations. So this is maintained by Solana Labs. That's the actual core team that is handling the development of Solana blockchain. So that's the major thing. So as a new developer to Solana, if you are hearing SPL, and there are different ones you can see, only a subset of programs within Solana Program Library are deployed to Solana mainnet. Currently, this includes, that's why you hear SPL token, Solana Program Library token, associated token, token 2022, governance, staking, compression, shared featured, feature proposal, name service, memo, and things like that. So all this, in addition, one program is planned for deployment to Solana. I think they are working on this, which is like single pool, only a subset within. So these are the ones that have also been audited, and when they are audited, so I will likely also include link to this GitHub in the description. If it's not there, maybe I forget when uploading the video, please remind me so that I can put it there through the comment, and I will put it there. And if you like this video and want me to continue to do more helpful content for Web3 developers on Solana blockchain and even other multiple blockchain as well, then I'm always available for partnership and sponsorship of your technical content to help your developer. Reach out to the Programming University link, and also in the Discord, I'm active there, so you can reach out, and as well you can donate to support keeping the project on. Like, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Share your experience using SPL library, like using it to build token, SPL token, NFT, and things like that, or governance, staking pool, or things like that. I remain Solomon Foske. I will see you in the next video. Always keep the programming spirit alive, and please do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill, and not evil, to make the world and universe a better place for us all. Peace and bye.